Hey, I'm Trent from TKO Tinting, and we get asked all the time, do we take the door trims off when tinting your vehicle? This particular model is a VF GTS-R. It's quite an expensive car, and we don't have to take the door trims off this, only the top rubbers. I'm going to show you how easily it's done. So to do this, there's a plastic cover behind the handle here. We use this plastic tool to pop the plastic cover off. Then we use a 7mm socket to get the screw out behind the handle. And that is the only screw we need to remove on this car. The previous model, the VE Commodore, we had to take off a few more screws. Now, the only thing holding the top rubber in now is some metal clips going into the top of the door trim. To get that out, we've just got to use a little bit of force and pop the top door trim back. Now we have to remove the top rubber. So if we have a look at the top rubber here, this has got the metal clips connected to it. So the top rubber slides onto the top of the metal part of the door here, and then the top of the door trim clips in to this top rubber. So it's very simple, very straightforward. That is all we need to do on your VF GTS-R or VF standard Commodore to apply the window film to it. It doesn't matter what make or model you have, we are very experienced in all types of vehicles, and we can guarantee the best job.